today. If I fall, I have to say no. I have to make the weird sound, but I'll make it louder because I think I didn't post it. If I die, guys, not falling, but so I fell falling counts, but not right now. I said, but okay, fell count too. And you know what? I'm so stressed right now because these things make me so stressed. Oh, guys. Ooh, I read Tower of Hell once, guys. Not going to lie, Tower of Hell is the most. I didn't fall all the way to the floor, guys, so I'm lucky. Oh my gosh, it's trying to scoop at me. It was real. Oh my gosh. Oh, help. No, not the squares. Help. I hate these squares. Pass. Oh, there's no. Oh, that was so close. I almost fall to the ground. But what is this person even trying to do? I don't know. Whatever. I didn't dare to fall on the ground. I didn't dare myself to it. I'm not even daring myself on one of these squares. I hate these. Okay, you know what? Okay, fine. Hey, where the sound is? My weirdest sound is. That's my weirdest sound. So embarrassing.